back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing this makeup look, and I did it only, well, my eyes with one eyeshadow. I used the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I used Morocco. I love oranges, so I decided to do this orange one eyeshadow eye look, and it came out just 7,000 chef kisses. You know what you need to do. Hit that like button, subscribe down below, leave me a comment. If you want to see how I did this, if you want to see how I got this beautiful look, keep on watching and let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to start off by doing my face first. So I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm just going to do under my eyes. As you guys know, or if you didn't know, I don't use foundation. Just because I just don't like it, I guess. And I feel like I really don't need it, so I don't need to use it. But I'm taking this brush that I used to blend out my eyebrow concealer, and I'm gonna be putting some of this concealer underneath my eye. And I hope the lighting is okay. I'm filming on my vanity, so I hope the lighting is okay for you guys. So I'm just gonna pack and blend this out with this brush first, and then I'm gonna go on with my Real Techniques sponge. Okay, now I'm gonna set all of that with my, this is a dry brush. It's not a brush. My dry sponge with my Ben 9 neutral set. And I'm just gonna put that in everywhere I applied the concealer. Y'all, I wasn't recording. But all I did was I took my my blending brush from Morphe. This is the M41 brush. M441. Anyway, I took this blending brush and I blended it up as far as like underneath my brow bone. And then I blended it out and I blew it out to the ends. And then I took my pencil brush. This is a brush from Morphe as well. It's the M431 brush. I took that and I started to sweep color underneath my lower lash line, blowing it out to the end as well. Like I said, I wanted it to be blown out. So I just swept it inwards like that. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, I thought I was recording, but whatever. So I'm just gonna go underneath my lash line with the same color from Morocco. The same color Morocco from my Nubian 2 palette. And I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna sweep this underneath the lash line. like that, and now you look like a orange raccoon, a sexy orange raccoon. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my powder brush, and I'm just gonna brush all the setting powder away. I'm gonna set my face with, well, not set my face, but I'm gonna do the rest of my face with my MAC NC43 Studio Fix powder and my Ultimate Blending Brush by e.l.f. Just gonna brush all that away and then put the powder on. I'm probably gonna do my contour as well, and if you don't know, I use the brown in the, what is this, the Zulu palette to contour with. I really like the color to contour with. And then I'm coming back when I'm doing my highlight, my liner, my lashes, my lips, all of that. So eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with my liner. This one is from Remo London. I'm gonna go on with my liner, some mascara, and then I'm gonna put on my lashes, these ones here. And then I'm gonna put on some highlight. Probably you'll see that. I'm probably not gonna talk through it, but yeah, this look is coming together. I'm loving it. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. So cute and so straightforward. I had so much fun doing this look. I hope you guys like this look. Wear this look. If you do, let me know. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, bye.